Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by powering the HP down fully and unplugging everything. Make sure no indicators are lit. Once done, remove any removable battery or latch per model instructions and ground yourself to prevent static damage. Next, lay the laptop on a soft, clean surface with the backup. Use the correct Phillips or Torx driver to remove visible screws. Keep them organized in a small container. Finally, use a plastic pry tool to separate clips. Take your time to avoid breaking tabs. With the bottom cover removed, inspect the interior layout to find the drive bay or M2 slot. HP designs vary, so confirm whether you have a 2.5-inch SATA drive or an M2 NVMe module. If you can, disconnect the internal battery cable to eliminate risk while you work. For a 2.5-inch drive, remove the bracket screws and slide the drive from the SATA connector. For an M2, loosen the single standoff screw and gently lift the module at an angle, pulling it straight out. Once the SSD is free, handle it by the edges and place it into an anti-static bag or padded container. If it was in a bracket, reattach that bracket to avoid losing screws. Reconnect the internal battery if you disconnected it, then replace the bottom cover and tighten screws in their original pattern. Power the laptop on to confirm normal post. If it doesn't boot or the drive isn't detected, reseat the module, verify the mounting screw is snug, and check BIOS storage settings before further steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.